In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this diaper cake. Coming up next. Hi, my name is Jasmine and welcome to Turtlecreativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Now let's cut all the talk and dive into what you need for this project. For this project, you will need diapers, of course. I use 72 size 3 diapers, rubber bands, ribbon, some type of tulle, bows and decorations. My friend's theme was superheroes, so all of my decorations have a superhero theme. A good pair of scissors, a cardboard cylinder like a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, and a cardboard base to put on all your diapers. Now let's start the fun part. So you got all your supplies and you're ready to go. So you have your diapers, and the first thing we're going to need to do is roll all of them. You're going to get the open end first, and you're going to tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Then you're going to get your rubber band and put it around the diapers. Don't worry about this rubber band showing. We're going to cover it when we get to designing. Again, take your diaper, tuck and roll, tuck and roll from the open end. Get you a rubber band, hold it all together. Again, from the open end of the diaper, because we don't want none of this hanging out at the end of the cake. So tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Then place your rubber band. We're going to do one more together. Open end of the diaper, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Grab your rubber band. I use 72 size 3 diapers for this cake, so I'll meet you when you finish rolling all your diapers. Tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Next step is we're gonna take this cylinder and stick it to the base. I'm gonna be using hot glue, but you can use tape, regular glue, whatever you have around the house. Now that you have your cylinder glued to your base, you're going to start with your bottom layer of your cake. I put 42 diapers on the bottom layer of my cake. So first, I put the rubber band at the bottom. Then I started putting my 42 diapers around the base of my cake. I've already counted out 42 over here. So I'm just going to keep pulling the rubber band and expanding it around the cake. And I'm putting the diapers in a circular motion. If you want to do a square cake, you would kind of line them up in a square. But this is going to be a round diaper cake. And you keep going and you keep adding diapers. Gonna make sure you buy nice strong rubber bands so they don't pop on you. But I bought these rubber bands from Walmart. They were, 89 cents? And they've been working pretty well. And you keep going. So you have all 42 diapers around this rubber band. It's gonna hold, don't worry. And just make sure it keeps looking circular. Almost done with our first layer. A few more diapers left. And you know, this is still not enough diapers for Mom to be. She's still gonna need plenty more. Okay. Now that's all 42 diapers. I'm going to just adjust a little bit. Okay. perfect. Almost. Okay. There we go. Now, at this point, we could cut off the base. Or you can just cover it and decorate it. But we're going to cut it off. Now we're going to work on the second tier of our cake. The second tier of our cake is going to be 20 diapers. Again, I start by putting the rubber band on the cylinder first and then start adding the diapers. This rubber band will have to stretch as far as the last one, but it will all be good. Put your diapers in just like you did the last time in a circular type of motion. And then if it's not circular when you put them all in, you can always adjust the circle at the end. So no worries at all. Hakuna Matata. Okay, keep going. A few more left. I love these diaper cakes. I think they are so cute. And the larger size you get your diapers, the higher your diaper cake will be. The number of diapers won't change. Just the height of your diaper cake will be different. And that is our second layer. Beautiful. So we're on the last layer of our cake, and this one is 11 diapers. Again, you take your rubber band, put it through the top, and start putting your diapers through. Again, you want to move in a circular motion, but if that doesn't work for you, it's okay. Because you can always adjust at the end. Couple more. This is the quickest layer because it's the last one. Okay, now we have a nice 3-layer diaper cake. So now for this top piece, you can add a bear or an animal or different things to the top of your cake, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to cut it off. Now that we have our cake, just like for a real cake, it's time to start decorating. So we're going to start with our ribbon. This ribbon is going to cover all of these rubber bands. I'm going to try to put it right on top of the rubber band. And this is going to go all the way around the cake. And then I'm going to snip the back. Just like this, we just cut that piece off. And next, we're going to hot glue it to the back of the cake. Don't get any hot glue on your diapers though. We still want mom to be able to use these. And you're going to do this on all the layers of your cake. my seams are in the back and all my rubber bands are covered. You don't even know they're there. Next, I'm going to stick in these little zap and pow things on the cake because, again, my friend's baby shower is superhero themed. So, in all the comic books, you always see these words in like this cool font. And we made these words using our Cricut. So cute. And then for my favorite part that I've been waiting to show you is the name of the baby. So my friend Asia's baby's name is Carter. So we're going to put Carter's name on the cake. So now it says Carter. And again, her baby shower is superhero themed. So it's not going to just say Carter. It's going to say Super Carter. So this is uber cute, but it's not done yet. Now it's time to add tulle to the top and bottom. Cute! OMG. Now for the top of the cake. So I'm putting it in that cylinder at the top, the tulle, and it's kind of going to be a backdrop for those stars I have. Add a little pizzazz. So there you have it, guys. A super cute baby shower cake. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Happy crafting.